Hello, my name is Nicholas Bira. I am the current 3D Printing Club president at Mizzou, and today I'm going to be giving you an introduction to Autodesk Meshmixer and showing you how to make something bizarre like this creature here. I'm going to be going over the Autodesk Meshmixer application and giving basic instructions on how to navigate through the program and what the program is used for. To start out with, I'm going to import a bunny here from this option and kind of go over the basic tools available to normal users. So when you start up the program, you see this gray area, which is the 3D modeling window, and you have your object in the window that you can manipulate and interact with. The basic camera controls are the right mouse button. If you click that, you can drag and pan in different directions, and then if you scroll in and out, you can zoom towards your model and away from it. With the left mouse button, you can do a variety of things, mainly just all the different tools on the left and selecting things, such as with the select tool. Here I can highlight an area and remove it if I want or not. But I'm going to be going over just a few quick things to demonstrate what this program is capable of and how it's different from a lot of different programs like SolidWorks or Blender, for example. So to demonstrate that, I'm going to first select the head of this rabbit and actually remove it entirely by highlighting all of the area that I want to remove and then either deleting. Actually, I can do it faster if I draw a circle like this. There we go. And I'll add to a little bit more. And then I can delete all of that by pressing the X button, which will completely remove it, or I could have done the edit and delete section from this menu bar over here. So after I remove that head, I now have a hole where the head should be and a hole on the bottom of the model from when it was imported. Meshmixer works with meshes, which are three-dimensional non-solid objects. A solid is something that is fully enclosed and therefore 3D printable. This in its current form is not 3D printable because it's just a bunch of surfaces that are floating around in space, and it doesn't really know how to differentiate between the interior, which is the striped here, and the gray, which is the outside. I'm going to use a quick tool called Analysis Inspector, which will find those two main holes. I can click on these points to quickly and easily fill in those holes and repair them. In its current form, this is actually 3D printable now, but I'm going to keep going to make it a little bit more visually appealing towards what I'm going for. So going to go into the brush tool and choose the smoothing tool, and this will just go through the area that I'm highlighting and clicking on and recompute the vertices of all the triangles to make it much smoother. So now I've removed the head and smoothed out the area where it was, giving me a good point to add to. I'm going to go into the Meshmix primitive section and select a different head for this animal. I think I'll go with a cow. And I can drop that onto my model here and reposition everything, rotate the head a bit, make it larger, allowing me to effectively just fuse on this new part of the model in where the head had previously been. So there I can do accept, and it will quickly and easily append that new 3D model area into the old model. To make it look a little more natural, I'm going to go in some more with the smoothing tool and fuse that connection a little bit smoother, make it less of a sharp edge there. You'll see different colors based on different steps and how things were edited, but you can mainly ignore that for the purpose of this video. So now I have a nice cow head on my bunny rabbit body. I think I'm going to add a few finishing touches and spines. I will use the drag tool and drag up little ridges along the back just for a final touch. Moving on to the back here. So now we have this fun little spine feature. Then I'm going to go into the inflate tool, and using this tool I will add some aesthetic bumps all over our animal, just again for looks. So hopefully by this point you've gained somewhat of an understanding of what Meshmixer is capable of and what this program is used for. You can use this program to make odd creatures like this, or you can use it for very precise interactions between different objects. All of that will be covered in future videos, and I highly recommend you stick around and keep watching. In the next video, I'll be going over the basic tools to use with sculpting and selecting on a 3D model.
Thanks for watching this video by 3D Printing Club. If you like this video, go ahead and leave a like or a comment. Be sure to subscribe or check out one of our other videos. Thanks!